How do men and women differ in mate selection? There are two broad approaches involved in answering this question. The first is the evolutionary approach promoted by evolutionary psychologists. Keep in mind that these explanations are theories, they're not necessarily facts of life. This approach suggests females are more selective in choosing a mate because they're limited in the number of children they can bear, usually one every year or so. In modern times, females seek out older, successful males to ensure the survival of their offspring. They'd also tend to be jealous when a partner commits emotional infidelity because it threatens the stability of the family unit. According to this approach, men are less selective in choosing a mate because they can father an unlimited number of children. To ensure the survival of their offspring, they seek out females who are younger, attractive, fertile, and faithful. They're jealous of sexual infidelity because it signals that they're not suitable mates, not fatherhood material. The socio-cultural approach, on the other hand, is well supported by modern research. Proponents of this approach point out that people are more similar than they are different, that gender differences are small compared to gender similarities. Plus, when researchers ask people about their dating preferences or ask them to rate photos of other people, participants' stated preferences may not match their actual preferences or their actual choices. Think about all the qualities you would prefer in a partner. Do you always get those qualities in a partner? Probably not. Proponents also point out that male selection tendencies are learned and reinforced by culture. Sex differences are not predictable or universal. In the U.S., women tend to seek a partner with resources because they don't have the same direct access to these resources. Children begin to learn about this power dynamic as early as preschool. This approach also suggests that one of the reasons men are fearful of sexual infidelity is because it represents emotional infidelity, not fatherhood issues as suggested by the evolutionary approach. We've covered many different aspects of attraction in close relationships. In the final video of this series, you'll learn what social psychologists have to say about several other relationship topics.